Rachel.
And Isaac.
And we're gonna do a challenge that I don't know if it exists yet, but we're gonna make up the slime high five. We're going to make our own little slime bucket spiller mechanism. Cue us building it. Yeah! Subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Give this video a thumbs up because me and Isaac had to get literally disgusting for this and had to learn how to be carpenter. Isaac made a pranking channel. He says it's a pranking me channel, but I'm gonna pretend it's not.
But yeah, the link's down below to follow.
There's 10 levels of questions.
Round 1 being the least difficult, up to round 10.
You ready for these questions?
Who's first? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Ha! Round 1.
Boy.
Where did we go on our first date?
We were trying to go to Starbucks. We ended up going to 7-Eleven for a Slurpee.
Right.
Where was I raised?
Brooklyn, New York. We both survived round 1.
Wow.
Round 2. What was the name of my first dog?
Carlito. That's my favorite color.
Dark blue.
Round 3.
What's my favorite TV show?
Criminal Minds.
Yeah!
What is my least favorite food?
Tomatoes.
Correct. Round 4. You got this. I got this.
Name 5 of my best friends.
Saray, Chloe, Malaka, Deborah. That doesn't apply anymore.
Shade.
And Isaac.
You got me on that one. That does count. I forgot a lot more things.
No, I know. What is my biggest fear? A lot of people have this fear.
Do I have it?
No.
Yeah.
That bucket has your name on it.
Now this bucket has your name on it. What is your biggest fear? Being shot.
Nope.
What is it?
Needles.
What? That's your biggest fear?
That was so fun. Round 5. What are you doing?
Playing.
We're filming a video.
If you were playing a game, I would like.
It just took you 10 minutes to answer my question. I'm playing again.
I'm playing Cooking Fever. I need to get to the next level. Look at how fun it is. Yay! I got to the next level.
Yeah, you can't play Cooking Fever right now. I'm confiscating your phone.
You're gonna make me lose.
Stop. I don't care.
Everything's gonna get burnt.
I don't care.
Can you at least X out, like close the game? I really don't want to like lose.
Okay, fine.
Thanks.
Alright guys, so
Round 5! You wanna play hard? Let's play hard. At what age did I learn how to swim?
10 years old.
No.
What is it?
I was 2.
What?
Oh, come on.
Oh, it's so cold. I feel like a gummy bear. We go to a sushi restaurant. There's one roll I get. What is that roll?
The tuna avocado roll. The thing is, you always get the same thing. You always get the same.
It's the California roll. Round 6. Wait, why's your phone in here?
What?
Kidding.
I took my phone. I was playing the game. You guys should download that game. It's really fun. I'm addicted to it. It's called Cooking Fever. What was my dad's best friends when he was younger?
What kind of question is that?
They weren't humans.
Scorpions.
They were giraffes.
Ah!
Wait, no.
No. Oh.
My dad's best friends were giraffes because his dad was a veterinarian at a zoo.
How many times did I go to Los Angeles?
4!
Really like yourself.
I can breakdance now! Round 7! Feel my legs, it feels so smooth. What is my dream job?
To be a YouTuber.
Sliding into DMs like.
On our first year anniversary, what color shirt was I wearing?
Black. What color was it?
It was red.
No.
Wow.
Round 8! What was the first video I ever posted onto YouTube?
Don't answer, but it was either an eye makeup tutorial or was it music video divorce? It was a makeup tutorial. No, what was it? Hold on, before you do
You
it.
were right before.
It's deleted, you're wrong.
No, that video's still up.
No, it's not.
I'll play it right now.
Oh, you know,
Oh no, it got on the carpet!
how many houses did my family move to?
4.
You got it.
Round 9. How did I ask you to prom?
You straight up begged me, please go to prom with me, please.
That's how I get the boys.
What is my favorite dish that you make?
Penne alla vodka, but Rachel style. Round 10!
Count 10, baby.
Are you proud of us that we figured out that handshake? What is a reoccurring dream I have every single year on the same date?
It has to do with your dog. It's like talking to you, like it's okay, don't worry.
No!
No.
Okay, this was like so long ago, so don't worry about it. Every single year on the day that he died, I have a dream that I am carried out, and then I get hit by a car, but I can still see, and then I see the car that hit me, and it is a license plate that says straight. Yeah.
From the ages of 8 to 12, I had a stuffed animal. It was a duck. What was his name?
Quacky?
Quackles.
Quackles! Oh my... Let's see what the scores tallied up to be. Tally end!
I went, haha, what are you gonna do about it?
So, I have a question for this video. If you have seen my previous 2 videos, click those down below. Okay, I love you guys so much. Bye!